अरे काशीराम जी,
जी बाबूजी।
यूनाइटेड नेशंस को एक लेटर लिखना है, जरा आप लिख देंगे? मैं डिक्टेट कर रहा हूँ।
जी।
डियर सर, आई एम ग्लैड टू रिसीव योर बुलेटिन and I pour forth a warm regards for the awakening for the peace created among our brethren of the world. The idea of peace, common in all minds, though shattered by the self of the individual mind, is working on individualistic basis to gain one's own end on account of the narrow-mindedness of people, to dissipate the idea of individual self and to work harmoniously for the common good is the demand of the time. The conferences and meetings held for the purpose may only be like a spark to offer a temporary glow to the scattered fragments of peace. These cries in the wilderness will not carry far on the path of success because of the material agony of faith working at the bottom. Unless the foundation of peace is made to rest on a spiritual basis, no better prospect can be expected. It is but definite and certain that sooner or later we will have to adopt spiritual principles if we want to maintain our existence. Arrogance cannot be stopped by material force. It is only the spiritual force which can remove the causes of war from the minds of people. How to introduce these things among the masses who are not yet familiar with the accuracy of the mark is the next problem and is equally intricate. If my opinion were to be invited, I would lay down the simplest possible method as given below. Let us all, brothers and sisters, sit daily at a fixed hour individually at our respective places and meditate for about an hour, thinking that all people of the world are growing peace-loving and pious. This process, suggested not with exclusively spiritual motives, is highly efficacious in bringing about the desired results and weaving the destiny of miserable millions. With prayer for the success of your noble mission, yours Ramchandar, President, Shri Ramchandra Mission, Shahjahanpur, UP, dated 8th July 1957.